What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here to Smitty's, we do truck videos, travel videos, and a bunch of other things. There's no rhyme or reason to what we do here on Smitty's. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button right down below and become part of our squad. Today's video is going to be a truck video. I'm going to be showing you how I made very simply the flooring in my vehicle. It's very simple, very easy, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get to it. Alright, so I just wanted to show y'all my project that I'm doing right now. Sorry if it's kind of dark. With this 4Runner, I'm going to build a platform. I didn't film any of it because, as you can see, it's not much to it. These are 2x2s. I think that's like 28 inches or something like that. But all I did was I measured from that crease right there in the body, measured from there all the way up to the carpet line. And I just cut 4 pieces. They're exactly the same length. There's a notch in the carpet right here, and I just put 2 2x2s, make it strong enough to hold these. You can definitely do that with a 2x4 because that's essentially what it is. And then I laid 3 across the top, and it's relatively level. What I'm gonna do back here, I'm gonna put some insulation back in between these pieces of wood. Stuff a little insulation in that corner right there. Shove a little bit more insulation in that, and that, and that, and I'll be done with the floor. If you haven't noticed on this channel, I like things really simple. All right, again, it's not the prettiest thing, but I insulated it just a little bit. I brought the roll of insulation out, laid it in there, made a little cut, and then cut it all the way down. And then back there, I measured out the size, covered the hole, and then slid it under the carpet to hold it down. And then once it starts to get colder, I'll start to throw some denim or something in the little cubbies on the side. All right, so I got the first piece cut. Looks pretty good. Basically what I did is I measured the wheel wells. I measured from there inward. That way you see how it kind of slopes out and gets a little bit bigger. Did that to both sides. That way it'll be hidden when I put that panel back down. Let me get a little closer so you can see it. It notched around there. Notched around that one. It's trial and error. You put it in, it don't fit, you cut it a little bit. Put it in, it don't fit, you cut a little bit until you get it exactly how you want it. All right, so here it is with the front end. Nothing screwed down. So it's gonna look like it's off, but it's not. Come around to this side. Sorry, it is dark in here. Got it notched around best I could. It don't look too bad. Same thing with that side. And I had it just come up far enough where, so underneath it's still nothing. There's no legs, no support, no nothing. Yeah, hopefully I'm giving y'all some ideas. Alright, so here's the finished product for now. Well, not the finished product, but this is with everything in and screwed down. Again, I am not a carpenter. I just do things quick and easy. So if you want accuracy and precision, definitely go to a different channel. Because look, I missed the wood underneath a couple times up there too. See, I missed. Well, I missed a little bit. Yeah, turned out pretty good. And I gave myself a lot of backup room so I can recline the front seats.